Same time.
Yeah.
Alright.
So this is the British.
Yeah, it's straight from what the UK. Outside door, you know?
Outside for the next banger.
So see ya. Prepare chicken, season up as I say. You know, the jerk up. We are gonna bake it, guys. So we'll just do a jerk up pineapple jerk chicken. That is it. So I go on. So anyway, guys, you season them close, so you don't know. It's not a problem. There's some pork right there, so some stew pork. Yes, man. The Christmas hunting. Look at that, guys. So good. I don't know. Put the bag for me and come on the pepper, and we don't know if keep eating up. That is it, guys. Alright, so we're gonna leave them after marinate for probably about 7 to 8 hours, and then throw them on the grill. You see me? Yeah, man.
Okay guys, so we all know it's the festive season, so you don't know a whole heap of noise in the background and things. So today we're doing pineapple chicken, guys, which you see before, and we have some pepper, some garlic, some sweet pepper, and we have some green onion, which we call scallion in Jamaica, guys, and we have some thyme. Yeah guys, so what you want to do, you just chop up that. We have the chicken seasoned already, marinating. Yeah man, so that is it, guys. So now guys, I have the pineapple. I want to slice that real thin. You can do this two ways, guys. You can grate the seasoning, or you can blend the seasoning. You can grate the seasoning, first one, grate the seasoning, cook it up, and then you can use it as sauce and gravy in one. So what I'm going to do today, I will be blending blending all the season with some pimenta, the pine, guys, and you know, the regular scallion, the thyme, and the onion, the sweet pepper, and the scotch bonnet. So I'm adding the pimenta now, guys. That's spice. Yes man. So you just want to add it to the blender, guys. Yeah, that is it. You know, look at that, guys. Okay, now so after I finish adding all the seasons to the blender, guys, what I want to do is you're going to use champagne, preferably to your choosing. I am using pink today, guys, pink champagne. That's strawberry. Yeah man, so you want to get that real cool, and pour probably about half glass full. You don't know if it's seasoned and stick up in the bottom, but the champagne gives the chicken a nice flavor, guys. You know, you can take a one sip, which I'm going to do, guys. Yeah, man. I have a fancy glass right here, so I'm gonna pour some drink, guys. Yeah, man. That is it. That's champagne, guys. So I'm gonna take a sip now. Yeah, man. That is it. So refreshing. Look at that, man. You want some, guys? Can give you some, get a glass. Alright, guys, so I'm going to pour some more of this champagne in the blender on the seasons. Yeah, man. So you don't know, you want to get that well flavor up on thing, you see me? Yeah. So guys, the blender was giving me a hard time, so I had to fix it. So now I am going to chip some wood for the fire, guys. You don't know, you want a few fire starter, something can hold the fire so you can catch a coal like real quick, guys. Yeah, man. So I have a axe that somebody gave to me for the Christmas. Yeah, guys, they say I can take it on camping with me, so I have that axe. And thank you, that unknown person, thank you. Then them the two and them name calling on the video, guys. So thank you. Yeah, man. So what you want to do is now abracadabra, bam, fire god. Haha. So that is it. Yeah, man. So we have the pork over on side one. I said, no, guys. See there, brown stew some pork, you see me? Yeah, man. Brown stew pork, nothing to beat brown stew pork in there, guys. And we have the peas just cook up, red peas, cow peas, we call it in Jamaica. Yeah, guys. So I have blended all the seasonings. So I will add some a bit of few added flavor to it. So a little ketchup. Yeah, man. So add the ketchup there. That is it. That's supposed to be enough. Okay, guys. Yeah, man. So add some browning to give the chicken a little color. You don't know if you know what paint and the sauce there, and the chicken is still white when you done it. See me say you want to get a little color with the browning. See me I say? And then you got some bam, and you add some sugar towards it, guys. Yeah, not too much, guys. Not too much. That probably be a 5 teaspoon of sugar, guys. Yeah, the way you want to do is just mix that around, guys. Mix that real good, Yes, man, that is it. Looking so beautiful already, guys. So you see the browning coming in. Look at it, guys. So that is the color when you paint on the season and the heat start beat the chicken. That is the color the chicken get. You see me? Yeah, man, that is it. Look at that, guys. So beautiful. Only if you can taste it, guys. I have tasted that. That's a banger. And then you want to season it up again, guys. Yes, some all-purpose. And then we have some chicken season. You don't want to overpower it, because you don't know our season them in Jamaica. Kind of a bit salty. Not kinda. It's a bit salty, guys. So, you have to take your time and you have to taste it. I think. So, yeah. Season up that real quick. Yeah, man. Just need a stir. Yeah, guys, so we have finished the seasoning. So what we want to do now is taste it. Yeah, man, see there. Alright, that is it. So we're gonna do now the fire ketchup. So I'm gonna spread out that, you see me? I have 2 forks, guys. Some of y'all are skeptic. I have 2 forks. So one in the season and I have one turning up the fire. Yes, man. So you want to get the fire spread like right out in the jerk pan, guys. Cause reason being, you don't want to fire one place to burn up chicken them. You see me? You want the chicken them slow cook. You see it? Yes, man. Slow cook the chicken them. Put a little butter over the chicken them, so they must stick on to the grill. Yeah guys, I have this drip on about 5 to 6 years now, so, and it's in the rain and the sun guys, that's why it's looking like this. Yeah man, but I have cleaned it in the morning. Yeah man, so I jump on the chicken them and thing. That is it, look at that one. Wow, chicken them look nice man, already. I like down that way, like go and turn up, you know. See that come up now chicken them, they look on the tip of the wing them. Look on the wing them guys. God. Yes man. So we can do now, we can put on some season for it, you know. Easy time. Paint on some white. Yeah man. We have a brush now guys, but now use brush, I use time today, you know. Yeah man, a real outdoor style. That is it, look at that. Yes. Merry Christmas guys. That is the Christmas color. Look at that one. Yeah man, a really Christmas color. Look at that one. Oh, okay. Chicken one, look one chicken. Bad. Yeah guys. Look on that. Yeah man, you want to get in the sauce really, you know guys. I've made some incision on the chickens. Yeah man, so you don't know the sauce there, just soak down in the chicken. So that is it guys. Cover that, make that go on cook up, you know, or bake up, I should say. Make some pasta, you know guys. Yeah guys, so we have some carrot, some thing there, some carrot and that guys, and some whole heap of other things. I'll look for the chicken in real quick. If I hear them sweat guys, look at that. I don't want them burn us, it all stick there. So that means the butter never catch a part there, you see me? Yeah man. So you want to turn it up guys. Make it slow cook, 2 side and side. Yeah guys, like every 5 minutes I turn my chicken because the jerk pan small and the fire is high. So look at the wing guys, looking crisp already, crispy. Yeah man, that's a chicken breast. And you know, go and turn up the chicken them and thing. Yeah, alright. Okay guys, yeah man, I'll cover that back, you know, and make it go on turn, you know. So back to the pasta guys. So we had some mayonnaise to it, so we have some sweet pepper, we have macaroni, add a little black pepper, add a tip of sugar, have some carrot guys. Yes, that is it. You see me? Yeah man, Jamaica we have making pasta guys. You have a whole heap of way of make it, but this is how we're making it today. You eat a quick store. Yes man. In a few I will get some sweet corn to go in that guys. I hope hopefully the shop wasn't locked closed guys, so I got the sweet corn, but you won't see me put it in, but I did put it in the sweet corn, like you see me. Yeah man, so see we add some appetizer there. Yeah guys, so you see when them onion they now start roast up and thing. Yeah, can taste them man, taste the season and taste everything, everything I go on, you know. Yeah man guys, so as I tell you, every 5 minutes I turn my chicken and look at the color of that guys. Nice, fully brown guys. And the sauce coming on well. Look at the sauce is just taking on to the chicken. Looks very good guys. See me? Yeah man, look at that. Yeah, turn up your breast, you know. That is it. Yeah man, so a lot down back on now. Different thing we have. So guys, we have raw veg. My things we go get the sweet corn at the shop there guys. Yeah man, so we have a raw veg guys. We have some cabbage in the pot there already. Okay, some carrot on it. You know, we have a grater there for 6 years now guys. That person you see grater in the carrot, that's my girlfriend in it guys. See Annie? Alright, so we have grater carrot and thing. Alright, so we'll add the carrot, we'll add some sweet pepper. And I think that's pretty much it. One carrot, sweet pepper and cabbage guys. And some cucumber. My mistake guys, so one. Grater cucumber, you know. And you don't think cucumber and I eat a lot of cucumber guys. Because cucumber is good for your skin. And I love my raw veg guys, so mostly I eat raw vegetables. So pizza, come on, you know, one thing, you know. Look at that guys. Coconut milk and the chicken and the pork, I mean. I want to see pork, chicken, I see chicken come up here guys. Chicken is supposed to ready, you know. Alright, I'm almost ready guys. Need to give my ton again. Give them 1 ton, you know. So I'm gonna taste the appetizer them now. Look at it ready. Yeah man, look at appetizer look bad. You know guys. A big dough. I'm craving man. On your face. Yeah guys, as you see, this is a voiceover guys. Yeah man. So look chicken them again guys. Give them 1/3 tongue. Look at that man, that look good. Good.
Yeah guys, so watch now. So watch I grate up some cheese now. Make some pasta, other pasta, you know. We have some beer and some everything and thing about the place. Yeah guys, so that is Maxine, the person who gave me the tent. Yeah man, that's her guys. It's straight out of England, you see me? There, you know. See the man over there, so straight out of England to guys. Don't know family, one family. So grate up some cheese now. See me I say? Yes man. Yeah guys, so see what I'm going on now? Shred some cheese. Yo fam. Now come, so come. Yeah guys, so look at that thing. So we're gonna finish with the cheese now. Show you what go on, is it? Show you the England style. I'm making macaroni and cheese, is it me I say? Yeah man, that is it guys.
Got it with more water.
Yeah, water.
Yeah, cup of water.
Yeah guys, that is it, you know? That is it guys. So might have to shift the pot there and thing, you know? But you know? Yeah guys, so I'm gonna check for the thing there now, you know? Check for the okay, now I see what I go on film. See me I say? And water now, and thing. But eat that one store because I don't know how they ready. No, they yeah guys, so see what I go on. Hey.
You should use two and not one. Yeah, you
No, alright, just open me one. Yeah, my guys, so I get a one bone and thing, you know. I have a rotate the pig. Yeah, guys, so that is it. The whole season up. We don't know the original season. We just bring it to one thing there. Go look what I got, Berry. Go look what I got, pig. Yeah?
Yeah.
Turn it up now, turn it up. See that it take a time to come up. So we rotate them like we just do. So we just want this one on the top and put this one right here. This one over this. The juice. That is it, guys. This. Let's get this right here. Alright.
Yeah guys, so you don't know me there. I help my UK subscriber them, you know. I roast up some pork in idea guys, look oven, you know. Oven bun me, you know. So I have a wheat against it, you see me? Yeah, but the pork look good so far. Look there man. Soaking it on a juice guys. Some of the oil they drop out and put, you know. And run like a donkey to cock a fat. Yeah man. Watch it man. I have some pasta in the pot guys. Go and boil, you know. I'm sure that cheese. I have some gravy over there, so yeah guys, that's England gravy. First we hear about the one there, you know, you see me? England gravy that coming out on tin, you know. Yeah man, so see me I know my food done cooking guys, so I put that in the oven and I go work some food I know, you know guys. What I'm kind of crave, you know, so you have to see with me, that's how I get so fat, you see me? Watch a man, one man plate. Watch him face. One man face man. Watch him. And man now give me watch it. Not even half 5 people in some of my food. Watch him man in pineapple chicken. That's supposed to be nice guys. Look at man. Some pork. My tasty pork, you know. Yeah guys. Alright, so I might explain how I go on. Yeah guys. Some pasta. Yeah man. Pasta guys. I go and work some pasta, you know. But food tastes excellent guys. The pork, yani outdone ourselves guys. Pork was very nice. Her rice and peas, bad. Rice and peas can eat alone guys. Yeah man. Food nice guys. Watch him face. See my show you what I go on there. See pasta there, raw veg there. But the thing the chicken. Pineapple chicken and the pork guys. So go back to the pasta, you know, the other pasta. Look what I go and feed. See me I say? Yeah man. Look what I go and see it. Yeah guys, that is it, you know. So Chinaman there, straight out of England guys. His wife, as I said, Strawberry from the other video. She's the one that brought me the tent guys. She have a few more things for me. So you know, we get that in the future. Unfortunately, we didn't get it in the Christmas, but I appreciate it. I appreciate it just guys. So we have some mixed vegetable right, so we have some cheddar cheese, white cheese right here. I have some sorrel, I don't know, some kavasi, and a cup right, so yeah man. So chairman I got there now. Add the mixed vegetable. That look good already guys. Look on that man. But I'm just throw the cheese man out and eat that same way. But guys, this is Chinaman way of making pasta. Yeah, more pasta, my mistake. Keep on saying pasta from yesterday. Yeah man, you are going. You might make some mac and cheese guys. Some baked mac and cheese. So watch it now. I'll take a little time and stir it up. You want to last them the night, isn't me? And then go down to the lower part so you don't know when to cook up and bake up. Everything come up as in. So I go on guys, I add the cheese I know. All that, yeah man, one block of cheese up in there guys. A full heap of pasta. See me? Pasta the bad.
know?
Representing
UK.
my wife cooking strawberry one. Yeah, from the UK. Discover this Christmas food for us today in Jamaica. She wanted 2 potatoes. She wanted beef.
The knife shop, right? Knife sharp enough?
Yeah, the nice sharpener. So this is the beef.
Beef, you know? That is it, you see me? I just got a next piece. Just cut up some piece and left it in the grill to marinate. Same time.
Yeah.
Alright.
So this is the British.
Yeah, it's straight from out of UK. That is it, you see me? Take it.
Yeah, so this is my wife meal from England.
Yeah guys, so that's piece of beef. It's cold meat. Just a little bit of gravy. You know, Jamaican
Yeah.
style. Yeah man.
And then
Some
we
fried
go into the
potato.
beef now, the pork now.
Pork. Okay, so we go.
Well, my British wife, she love the skin pork. She love the skin part of the pork. Yeah, so this is my wife meal, British meal from England. She told you how to get it done for her and stuff.
Yeah guys.
Yeah, so this is the fish,
Yeah, some tilapia, you know?
tilapia,
Tilapia.
right? Yeah, so this is the Jamaican style.
Jamaican style fried of tilapia.
Yeah, man. So my British wife,
Well, that is it guys.
bring down her rice and stuff.
There's some peas. Fully nice and thing guys.
Well, Shelly,
So I'm going, watch it. Again. Oh, again, cuz. Again. See that guys? It's well shelly, you know? Straight out of England. Yeah, man. That is it. That is it, guys. You don't know we have some gravy right there.
so this is the British gravy.
British gravy is in, guys. Alright. So little snare. Yeah, you get the macaroni and cheese out the oven, cuz.
Yeah.
Watch it gravy leaking out the nose, alright? That's what's right there. Yeah man, ready. It's supposed to be ready now, cuz. Yeah guys, so you don't know. Very chin out, mac and cheese. Yeah guys, new way of making mac and cheese. So straight out of England, as I tell you. That is it guys. Look what I go on. First time I've seen this guys. I've normally make the mac and cheese and just pour the cheese on it. But look at that. Oh, that is it. Lift up guys, lift up. That's all I get. That is it. You see me I say? Something else in another plate there, yeah? Yeah guys, so that is it. You cut it like a pizza. Just like that. Just like that guys. Yeah man. Great old China. Mac and cheese.
Making my wife a British.
Take out some of the stuff in that, the stuff in that there.
Mac and cheese guys. First time I've seen it like this. Look tasty. Yeah man. So you do it. So next time probably I will try this for myself guys. But look, very delicious, you know. Look at that.
Very, very.
Very delicious.
This is my
guys.
wife, Christmas British food.
Yeah man.
Then call that now. So this is my
British.
wife relaxing.
Watch it.
No, no, this is
This is my wife relaxing and stuff.
Yeah guys.
we can't eat all of this. Use the salad and put it in.
Yeah guys, so watch out now. Taste the UK kind of cooking, you know, rice and peas and thing. Okay. Stuff. Mac and cheese.
Hey, I'm good. I'm just telling you what I think.
Wow.
I'm telling you, not for me. You never have
Yeah guys, you see eh? And mac and cheese.
full appreciation. Great,
English style.
Full appreciation. Great.
English style, no?
That's what I'm saying. You don't have none of that.
Somebody beef, you know. Some now the pork guys. Soft and thing, you know.
I don't give them the kibasi. We
Yeah,
don't want to
guys.
give them the kibasi, but you want to give them my
Soft. My mac and cheese. Mac and cheese, but guys. Cinnamon, cousin. Right, I mean, know where you get the one from, guys, but the one I bought, you know. So mac and cheese, Bud. Berry, big up yourself.
My recipe is nice, isn't it?
Big up yourself, Berry. The rice and peas, bud. Everything, bud. Season, bud and thing. You see me? Big up yourself, Berry. Yeah, man, tight stuff. Beef, you know?
This is funny.
Guys, who should on this? UK subscriber plus family, guys. Bud. I tell you. I'll take a one cheese, you see me? That is it, guys. Eh? Man, don't know you outside. Merry Christmas to you all, guys. You don't know. We're inside, not outside. Yeah, man. So there, you see me? Yeah, man. That is it, guys. So I'll finish my cup this.